Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree. If you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you are already one of the bros, hey girl. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this cute braided ponytail. It has a braid on the side as well. Y'all gonna see me struggle trying to do this braid on the side, but I think it still came out pretty cute. Nails, y'all already know where the nails come from. The nails is definitely from 𝚂𝚘𝚒𝚕 on Instagram at R.royalnailz. It's going to be on the screen. If you don't already follow my shop, I don't know what you're doing, okay? But yeah, I got this hairstyle inspiration from Dior. If you don't have me on Instagram, make sure you add my real personal Instagram and, you know, stalk me, do all that. Just show love, like, and I definitely follow back. So if you raw like me, I'm going to follow you. Period. Stay tuned to see this ponytail. Yeah. Okay y'all, so of course you're going to want to start by detangling your hair. My hair just got a fresh wash, so I'm literally just detangling it so that I can slick it back. I'm about to blow dry it. Make sure you blow dry it real straight, especially depending on the type of hair you have. You want it to be as straight as you can get it, basically, just so that you won't have as much trouble slicking it back. I honestly feel like parting my hair down the middle makes it so much easier for me. Like, I don't know if y'all watch any of my old hair videos, I just feel like parting my hair down the middle, nothing perfect, it doesn't have to be a perfect part, but like it just is less trouble, basically. Like it's less to manage. So, and as you can see, I'm kind of like pushing some back and portioning as I go, but take your time with your hair. You don't want it to break off. Me, I'm very impatient with my hair, so don't follow everything I'm doing, y'all. So here I am attempting to do this. Look at my face, like. So I'm just about to part where I feel like her braid is, basically right on top of your ear, and then we're gonna double part it and just watch the magic happen. It's really hard to make the part perfect, y'all, because again, you're doing it on yourself. If you can get somebody to do this braid for you, please get somebody to help you. And once you get that part perfect, you want to section it off so it can stay out of your way, because you're going to get everything parted on both sides. I swear this side nearly took me out. Like, you can see the struggle in my face. You literally can see the struggle in my face, y'all. Okay, so once it's perfect, you're literally just gonna section off the front, get that out of your way, because you is about to go into struggle mode. So I'm using this whack ass gel and I put it on the back of my hand. I think it was just strong enough to hold down like all my stray like flyaways. So I was like, let me just use this instead of something that was water-based. I like to put it on my part, kind of like I'm oiling my scalp with it, and then mesh it into the hair, the side that I'm braiding. So here I'm just parting and squeezing whatever particle that I had put on both sides just to kind of like separate them. So when I do that braid, it gives like the stitch effect. Honestly, when I do this, it normally works, but this time I really struggled. Like you can literally see the frustration in my face. Like I think I did it like 3 times already by now, and I'm like, yo, leaning my head over was hard. Trying to angle my hand the right way was hard. Doing it with nails was hard. And then boom, I somehow, some way, in my own way, got it done. It doesn't look the best, but it was the best that I could get. If you could do better, kudos to you. That side looked better than this side. I don't know what I did on this side, but whatever. So now I'm about to brush everything in the back up. I'm detangling it again, and then I'm just gonna brush everything up into a ponytail. So just watch me work. I'm not gonna talk for this part. I'm just gonna let it play. So of course when you first do it, it's not going to be like tight enough. Well, for me, to my liking, it wasn't tight enough. So I put a first ponytail and then I did it again. Like I just brushed through it again, put some more product, got it really tight, put another scrunchie on. So now that it looks as tight as I want it, I'm blow drying the product to make sure it's dry and sleek. Do your little touch-ups, and then we're going to get into the braid. Literally me looking at all the hair and I'm like thinking, should I straighten it? How am I going to get this to look good in a braid? My hair's so poofy, but I made it work, y'all. Just keep watching. Just keep faith. So I definitely highly recommend already pre-stretched hair. That's what I have here. I have a big pack of pre-stretched hair, and y'all, it just switched right into me doing the braid. I think my camera cut off. Don't judge me on how I did this braid. It's literally me. I'm not the best at doing braids, but after you dip it, it be looking real good. Like, look at how it looks right here. It looked like I let a child play in my head. What is going on? But what we're not gonna do is roast me on my braid because it ended up looking real cute in the end. So that's all that matters. Okay, trust the process. I tied my hair down, but as you can see, the tie didn't even stay on. So whatever. I did the little wraparound method. I forgot to record it again. My camera just be cutting off. But The wraparound came out really, really cute, and the braid didn't look that bad, and I didn't even dip it yet. So I'm going in with some got2b, and I'm going to put it, either the spray or the glue. I'm just going to put it on the wraparound part. Y'all know what I mean. I'm at the edge stuff, not the glue. But I'm just going to put it on the wraparound part, and I'm going to make sure it's slicked down, and then I usually blow dry it to make sure it's like really, really slicked down. Look at me trying to look at my braid. But now we're gonna do our edges, and we're gonna get into the edges. I wanted big poofy edges, but I really didn't feel like putting like heat on my edges, so I just went in with the same got2b glue, and I just laid them down like really, really big. First of all, can we just admire my nails for a second? Can we just get into the nails? Like, just get into them. Like, so cute. So y'all, the last time I did an edge video was literally a year ago, and y'all loved that video, but I feel like I should do an updated version. In this video, I really didn't show my full potential on how I do edges, but if you know me, you know I'm like the edge queen. If y'all want another edge tutorial, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't mind recording another one for y'all. I just haven't, so just let me know. Why is the braid on that side looking non-existent? It doesn't look bad, but it just looks like it's not there. I should have definitely got help. Honestly, at this point, I was kind of over it, and I had made it too far to give up, so I was like, whatever. And I was going out that night, so I was like, you know what? Let me just hurry up and finish. I ain't got time to be getting upset and quitting. Y'all, I'm really not saying nothing important. I'm on the phone yapping away, spilling teas. Like, I don't even know what we were talking about. But when I do my videos, I be on the phone sometimes just to like help time pass, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, if you don't have me on any social media, make sure you add my social media right now. Like, stop this video, add my social media, get this video a thumbs up first of all, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.